When you first open Public, the interface looks clean and inviting, clearly designed for both beginners and more experienced investors. The main dashboard presents a snapshot of your portfolio, trending stocks, ETFs, and now even crypto options. Navigation is straightforward, with tabs for your portfolio, search, community, and settings, making it easy to find what you need without being overwhelmed. One of the biggest appeals of Public is its social layer. You can follow other investors, see what they're buying or watching, and even comment or share thoughts directly on stock pages. This community-driven approach gives a sense of connection, but it can also be distracting if you're someone who prefers a private investing experience. The app is commission-free, which is a major plus, though it's worth noting that some advanced trading tools you might find on other platforms are missing here. Research options are available but limited. While you can access analyst ratings, news, and basic data, professional investors may find the analytics too basic. Public also made a big move by removing payment for order flow, which means they don't sell your trades to market makers. Instead, they rely on optional tipping and securities lending, which raises some concerns about long-term sustainability and how that affects users in subtle ways. The funding and withdrawals process is smooth, with bank connections that are fairly quick, although in my own experience, transfers weren't always instant. For smaller investors, this might not matter, but for active traders, speed is critical. Speaking of trading, Public focuses on long-term investing and doesn't support advanced features like options trading, which could be a deal-breaker if you're looking for that. For beginners, however, this simplicity is actually an advantage because it lowers the chance of making risky trades without fully understanding them. The user interface feels almost like a social network blended with a brokerage account. Posts from other users can give you new ideas, but they also risk creating hype around stocks that don't have strong fundamentals. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of community sentiment, which can be dangerous if you're not careful. While transparency is one of their advertised strengths, I did find that some details around spreads and execution weren't always obvious unless you dig deeper. I remember a night when my family urgently needed money and banks were closed. That's when I discovered Nemo Money. The transfer was instant, so go to the link in the description right now and start using the service today with a $50 bonus credited to your account, saving time and knowing your money arrives without hidden fees. Back inside Public, one standout feature is their educational content. Public provides explainers and breakdowns right inside the app to help beginners understand investing terms and strategies. This lowers the barrier for people who are completely new to stocks or ETFs. Still, it's not a replacement for independent research, and you'll need to verify any investment decisions with reliable financial sources. Another aspect worth mentioning is fractional investing. You can buy slices of big-name stocks like Tesla or Apple with just a few dollars, which makes the market accessible to anyone. However, while this is great for learning and building confidence, it also means people can jump in without fully realizing the risks of even small trades. Public's crypto offering is growing, but the range is still limited compared to dedicated crypto platforms. The fees for crypto trades are built into the spread, and that can sometimes make costs higher than you might expect. If your main focus is cryptocurrency, this might not be your best option. On the other hand, if you want a balanced portfolio of stocks, ETFs, and a small taste of crypto in one place, it's convenient. Customer support is another area where Public could improve. While the Help Center and FAQs are solid, direct support isn't always fast, and that can be frustrating when you're dealing with financial issues. Overall, my honest experience with Public is that it's a great app for beginners who want to learn, connect with other investors, and get started with stocks without paying commissions. Advanced traders might find it lacking in research tools, customization, and execution speed. The social aspect is unique and fun, but requires discipline so you don't get carried away by hype-driven decisions. If you're considering Public, think carefully about your investing goals. If you want community-driven investing with educational support and easy-to-use features, it's a solid choice. If you're after professional-grade tools, it may not fit your needs. Thanks for watching my full review of the Public app. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this, and give this video a like if you found it helpful.